Hi traders, in this video we are going to be looking at the binary arrow indicator for MT4. This tool is built to generate straightforward buy and sell arrows on your charts, aiming to simplify short-term decision making in Forex and binary style trading. In this video you'll see how the arrows appear, how they behave around shifts in momentum, and which basic options you can adjust. At this point I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow DLL inputs. And just like that, we have it installed on the charts. The binary arrow indicator plots colored arrows directly above or below price candles, with upward arrows marking potential bullish opportunities and downward arrows marking potential bearish opportunities. Because these arrows are tied to an internal blend of trend and momentum filters, a new arrow visually implies that the indicator sees a fresh push in that direction strong enough to flag as a signal bar. The historical arrows remain on the chart, letting you look back and see where the algorithm saw favorable conditions and how price behaved after each signal. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look. Sensitivity inputs control how quickly the indicator reacts to changes in market conditions, which directly affects how often arrows appear on a given time frame. Alert settings lets you enable pop-ups, sounds, or push notifications whenever a new arrow prints, so you can track signals without staring at the screen. You can also choose your preferred colors for the arrows and trade your preferred time frames as well. As for who this indicator is for, the binary arrow indicator is aimed at traders who want simple visual buy and sell prompts for short-term Forex or CFD trading. It is a visual and alert tool only, does not execute trades, and no arrow-based indicator can avoid false or cluster signals in choppy markets, so it should always be combined with additional confirmation and strict risk management. You can download the binary arrow indicator for MT4 using the link in the description below. It offers clean on-chart arrows that turn your trend and momentum conditions into simple visual prompts. If you got value from this overview, make sure you like the video, drop a comment with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe to the Forex Geek with notifications turned on. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.